head. The four dredger at snow. See here, this is 1.5 meter. Now we climb.
不是这样，我中间给你加速，到时候看用啥不用啥。
来这边就行。
行。
从这边吧，你看从前往后脚。
行。
在这个地方啊。
好嘞。
This is cut head with a ladder. The ladder, this can depending on the distance. The winch, main winch, swing winch, two. Yeah. From here, this is a control box, control room. Okay. 闪一眼这边，这边有很多的缝。闪一眼这边。对。好，放。Control room with a control box, also the engine remote. Here for the accelerate or deaccelerate. From here, operator just to operate the dredger here. To control to lift the ladder up and down, anchor left and right. Okay. Hydraulic part connect with the another side of the diesel engine, and from here, see there are some pump, gearbox, and the same pump. From here, pump directly out from there. Hydraulic pipe is just on the side of the dredger. How? See? This part is for the spud system. Pump. Gearbox, diesel engine. At the side of the diesel engine, there is the hydraulic part. Hydraulic for the winch, for the spud, for the cut head. Diesel engine with a generator for supply the electricity for all the electric parts. Hydraulic part connect with the another side of the diesel engine, and from here, see there are some pump, gearbox, and the same pump. From here, pump directly out from there. Hydraulic pipe is just on the side of the dredger. How? See? This part is for the spud system.